So this is what we're making, a very basic woven wire cuff. Nice and simple. We're going to do a little bit of basic weaving, and it's really no different using metal or fabric. It's just that the metal is a little more difficult to move. It's a little stiffer. So what we're going to do is use 4 lengths of wire, 250 mil long, and I just use 2 pieces 500 mil long, bend it in the middle, crimp the end so that it's a bit like this, so that it's easier to have the wires close together. And then we put the 2 next to each other in our little bench vise. And we have 4 wires sticking straight up, and this part is really easy. You just push the first one away from you, the next one towards you, the next one away from you, the next one towards you. Now, what we're going to do is take the outside one, pull it across, push the other ones to the opposite side. And really, this is it. And you can use any number of wires. I've only ever used even numbers. You should be able to use odd numbers. But for this one today, we'll just use 4 wires. So we're going to take the outside one. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Yep. So the outside one, pull it straight across. Then the one that's here, push to the other side. So you're just pushing your wires to the other side. So this one went this way, and the one that we pulled across will just pull back towards us. So we still have 2 and 2. So then we'll take the outside one. So we always go to the outside one, pull it across, pull these back over. Yeah, outside one, pull it across, back, 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 and toward you. Now, as this gets longer, shift it down in your vise, otherwise it'll be hard to control. And with this bit down closer to the top of the vise, it's easier to keep track of what you're doing with your wires. So you can see that that's a nice little weave, yeah? So you just continue to the end, and what I do is I cut these wires, bend the ends around so they're touching each other, solder them. Same thing on the other end, you'll have these 4 wires loose at the end. When you get the length you want, which is roughly 150 mil long, cut these loose ends off, bend them around, solder them, and then you just form the bracelet around a bracelet mandrel. Now this is one that I used 4 double pairs, and you can see I just pulled the double wires as one, and this once again is basically 4 wires. Very simple. I'd just grab some 1 mil copper wire and play, and you'll find that it really goes quickly, and it's a fairly attractive weave.